Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another video. Today is super fun. I've been waiting for this. You guys have been waiting for this. If you saw a couple videos back, I unboxed and assembled the Concepts GT350 bumper for my 2016 twin turbo Mustang here, Stangry. And obviously, when I go pick it up, I can't fit it in here, so Connor brought his big ass truck. It should fit in there just fine. A huge shout out to FinishPros in Marietta. They were the ones that painted it for me. They're known to do a great job. I've worked with them before, so I'm super pumped to see how this came out. And hopefully we can get this thing thrown on today. We do have to cut holes for the quick release on the bumper. If we can get that done, this thing should be done and ready to go by the Friday night car meet that we go to. As always, if you enjoyed today's video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. We should be taking this thing to the drag strip here soon. I'm super pumped, super excited. Just need to swap out the rear differential, and then this thing's good to go. With that being said, let's go to FinishPros and pick up this bumper. Give it a rip. Give it a rip? Give it a rip. Jesus.
Into more.
FinishPros, baby.
How many bolts were in the bottom?
I want to say there was only. There wasn't that many.
I mean, there's plenty in there. I was just looking at it and I saw that there's not as many as.
I can't explain to you how relieved I am that you guys put the grills back in because I did not want to do that. Well, I saw a trick. People were saying you can put like Vaseline or something on the clips and they'll slide right in. But dude, I was putting my entire body weight on top of it, and I couldn't get it to clip. You can apparently put your factory stuff back in. It uses all the OEM stuff, but I didn't have the lights, so I'm using his lights. Okay. That's the fog lights and the turn signals. But I didn't have mine. They're still where the car was built because I didn't think I was going to get a new bumper, and I just randomly did. So.
Right.
The scary part for me is that I got to do the quick release. I don't have clips anymore, so all I'm doing is I got to drill a hole there for the quick release on both sides.
With the rubber bands?
It's like a button.
Right.
The little video the dude's like, oh, it takes 5 minutes, but if you don't line it up right, now you have a hole, and it's not going to line up.
Yeah.
I figure it shouldn't. I took it to a shop, and I was like, I'll do this for like $200. And it's like, $200 for 2 buttons?
If I charge somebody, this would be $1,200.
Good night.
Good.
Yeah, I don't really think
anything anymore.
See, I don't really think that doing those quick releases is going to be as bad as he thinks, because I've done them on a couple of cars and it's never been that bad.
Yeah. It's not.
Yeah, don't scratch anyone else's car or your new bumper.
Well, I need it to match the rest of the paint.
Oh yeah, you're right. Yeah.
Wash it with the
brush.
The brush at the car wash.
Yeah. Who wants to bet he just stepped in the dish of the wheel?
I didn't.
Oh, really?
How much you want to bet, though?
I didn't catch it on camera, so I can't prove that you did or didn't.
All right, what are the odds this just doesn't move and sits there perfectly fine?
Probably pretty high, considering the wind kind of just goes over the top of the truck.
That's a fair point. All right, let's go.
Okay, yeah.
Wow. Again, huge shout out to FinishPros. It looks amazing. You guys come here if you're in the Marietta area. They do pretty much everything. I think I see a destroyed C8 right here and a nice brand new M8 in front of us. You know, just run that thing over real quick. Okay. Just roll right over it.
Got it.
We made it back. Like I said, I still have the grills right here. These were, I thought, for the fog lights, but it's actually a fog light delete, so we're only gonna have the turn signals, but they're not gonna work because the previous owner destroyed the wiring, so we kind of had to rig something up. Well, Jay did, and that is not something that I can connect back myself, so we're just gonna have Connor's in there so it doesn't look empty, but they're not gonna turn on. So the bumper is completely painted, assembled, everything. Again, those lights are not gonna work, but they're there just so there's not a big hole. It looks amazing. Now we have to do the scary part. We gotta drill some holes right there for the quick release. As you can see right here. My only other concern is I don't have a belly pan, so I'm not sure how we are gonna secure the bottom of it down.
I've been looking for this.
I found it. How we're gonna secure the bottom of it to the car so that it's not flapping around everywhere. We're about to do the scary part. I saw this tip in a video If you put some toothpaste right here, you line everything up and go as if you're about to put the bumper on, you will get a dot of toothpaste exactly where you're supposed to drill. So we're gonna try that and hopefully it works. A little toothpaste. Nice. So as you see, it leaves a dot right there for you. So now you know exactly where to go and start drilling. So obviously you're gonna start small, keep going a little bit bigger and a little bit bigger until you have your desired size. Because you can always go a little bigger, but you can't go much smaller once you did it. All right, break ground. Wait.
Going very slow to not burn the paint. $1 worth good, but it's good.
Imagine just cutting a hole in your very fresh bumper. Homie was home for like 20 minutes and we're like, all right.
Time to cut you up. Can never leave well enough.
I have been impaled.
We're gonna have to clean.
It's actually a pretty clean cut.
Oh, that's why you go slow.
If it doesn't fit, we can just buy a new bumper, it's fine.
Yeah.
We can just do all this again. Ah. Beautiful. As your girlfriends say, it fits perfect. All right, let's put our toothpaste dot on the other side, and then let's do it again.
I can't see. Shit. All right, we want it right there. Like that. All right, so.
Is that enough?
No. Probably. Nice.
Nice?
Nice.
All right, you look like you're getting blinded.
I am. I can't see fucking shit.
I can't see shit out of this thing. You want to put some painter's tape right there on the outside where you're going to cut, because you don't want to crack or burn the paint, especially if it's fresh paint that you got done literally earlier this morning. I think we should be good.
Yeah, that's why we use painter's tape instead of packing tape,
I
Parker.
was gonna use Gorilla Tape.
You're gonna rip the paint off. Ow. Ow.
Wait, you mean it cuts through plastic like butter and it also just cuts through your hand like butter?
Oh yeah.
Crazy how that works.
All for Stangry. I do it for Stangry.
I will literally end my life. All right, the scary part's over. For 21 bucks, that thing does make a really clean cut.
It does make a clean cut.
That's some damn good fitment.
That's some damn good fitment. Hold on.
Damn!
No,
Damn!
that's some good fitment.
Damn! That's not.
That's not. We need to adjust. We still need to adjust that one out a little bit. That'd be good fitment, but we got to adjust that over a little bit.
We were gonna do it the right way and just adjust it, but instead we wanted to add 2 more zip ties to the build, so we're just gonna do it that way. I'm gonna take the Stangry logo off of Larry. Thank you for holding it, Larry. And we're gonna put it back on Stangry. It will be completed. Oh yeah, close the hood. I wanna see it all together. That shit's gonna look so dirty. Oh, she's a menace. Oh my God, that is terrifying.
I love it.
That looks deadly. That looks
Fitment spot on.
deadly.
You got that fitment
Oh
spot
my
on.
gosh. The last touch is the signature Stangry badge. That is just a sticker, but
Somehow still sticky.
yeah, this has been on 3 cars now. This will be the 3rd car. I put it on my first bumper, and then I ripped it off. Put it on Larry right there, ripped it off. Now it's going here, and hopefully it stays. What do you think? Like, right there?
Yeah, just line it up right on there. Just, yeah, like that.
Oh, good. Think?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah. That is sick as heck.
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
That's it. That looks great. Menacing, baby.
Sick route. No more pizza grease.
More pizza grease.
Don't step on your phone.
Fun.
Background content. Parker getting content for other platforms.
Content.
Look at that hunchback. Just to
I do have a bad hunchback. I need to work on it.
when you bend over every time you go to bend over to take a picture, you just God, it looks good.
Dude, it looks insane.
This
is where the thumbnail came from. Well, I mean, there you have it. MP Concepts GT350 style bumper, completely installed, painted, everything looks great. We nailed it on the holes, everything is perfect, the fitment is perfect, and it looks insane, especially with this Cervini Ram Air Hood. The combo just looks nuts. I know some people call it cringy to throw the Shelby bumpers on just a normal GT, but dude, it just looks so good on the Gen 2s, and I can see the intercooler still through the grill, so I really like it. If you were contemplating doing this setup, I hope this video made you make the decision, because wow, especially with the AlphaRex headlights, dude, oh, it just looks so good. That's pretty much all I got for you today. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and hopefully here soon we can get this thing on the drag strip. But that is going to do it for this one. I'll see you guys in the next one.